I continue to show today rental properties under $3,000. We're on Meadowlands. It is a bungalow, semi-detached, and not a bad bungalow for this money. I mean, it all depends on if you want to live in downtown or if you want to have a nice house and it's bungalow. It doesn't have any floors. It also has a very nice backyard, a nice dining room. So I don't know, it's a different property under $3,000 for for somebody who wants the backyard and doesn't want to be in downtown Ottawa. Nice bedrooms and a bathroom and lots of space in the bedrooms. It's actually a 3-bedroom semi-detached bungalow. So that's it. Lots to choose from. And it's absolutely your own decision what you want to take under $3,000 semi-detached home or condo. If you need to buy or sell any property, you can get in contact with me. I've been Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert. I'm at the Richmond Road in a very nice condo. Lots of good renovations. They made an open concept from the kitchen. I like it very much. Right now, the whole entire building is under construction. All the balconies are redone, beautiful windows redone. The kitchen is totally beautifully redone. So it's under $3,000 and it is a very good inventory. I'm also interested to see that this big building right now undergoing a very big renovation. So whoever looking for the condos in the buildings, 1905 Richmond Road is undergoing a very big renovation and it's going to be beautiful after they're going to finish with it. In every room, it is a beautiful windows installed, really nice. And you are here right on the top of the future railway. So it's gonna be a very hot property. Very nice view, very nice view. And you even can see a little bit of the Ottawa River from the bedrooms. Very nice windows. So if it is any hesitations, this building undergoes a very big renovations and I believe it's not going to be any levy on any of the condos after they're going to finish. I'm here showing another house on Dynasty Road for rent under $3,000. Oh my God, this is a real project. I can't even believe that these houses are worth $3,000. I mean, no wonder they're standing and nobody taking them. So it is really not, it's quite ugly, everything. I mean, under $3,000, it's like, I can't believe it. But, this is what it is. Right now, it is very hot on rent. I'm showing a very nice leased unit. It's under $3,000. It's a very nice building. It's an infill between two old buildings. So it is a really very nice unit. A nice view and a very nice bedroom with ensuite. And the only problem with this unit that the second bedroom does not have any windows. Downtown Ottawa, a beautiful condos in the high rises. A very spacious, nice living room and kitchen. And very good size bedrooms. I had a good tour with the rental houses under $3,000 and I showed to my clients lots of condos and semi-detached and lots of different houses. And I want to tell you one thing, that it is very hot right now with the rent in Ottawa, and if you want to sell or buy the house, please feel free to call me and we will set up the free consultation. I've been Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.